Okay, what is this?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and
special
outer
marine
waters from
warning.
Sandy Hook
Did
to
not
Great
have to
Egg
get
Inlet,
checked.
New Jersey, until 1 p.m. At 12:02 p.m., rain snow showers were located along the line extending from Rockaway Inlet to 10 nautical miles northwest of Silverton to 29 nautical miles northwest of Little Egg Inlet, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts at 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Seagirt Reef, Ship Bottom, Atlantic Highlands, Garden State South Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, La Valette, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Park, Brigantine, Ocean Gate, Little Egg Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Monmouth Beach, Sea Bright, Ford River and Fair Haven.